Hello friend, welcome to AccuWeb Cloud video tutorial. Today we will see how to access the environment files through WebSSH in the AccuWeb Cloud. First, log into your AccuWeb Cloud dashboard. Select the environment you want to access through WebSSH. Here, we have selected WordPress.usAccuWeb.cloud as an example. Click on the arrow to expand the environment features. Go to the application server and select the node ID which you want to access through WebSSH. Here, we have selected node ID 3806 as an example. Click on the WebSSH button next to the particular node. This WebSSH option allows you to connect to any container or node directly through the browser using the WebSSH client without generating a dedicated SSH key pair or applying any other additional configurations. You can easily access the application file or folder through WebSSH. Here, you can see that we are easily accessing the WordPress file from the WebSSH. To open or edit the file, you can use the 6 or nano commands. You can switch between nodes of the horizontally scaled layer, choosing a particular one within the node ID drop-down list. You can open one more tab with a connection to the current container by clicking on the duplicate session option. This allows to perform several simultaneous operations on a single node. For example, to tail logs in one terminal window and to manage an application itself in another one. Also, WebSSH client is provided with embedded shortcuts for convenient management. Their list can be also viewed by hovering over the keyboard icon in the top right corner of the tab. Copy Ctrl+Shift+C. Paste Ctrl+V. Settings Ctrl+Shift+Alt allows to configure emulator, for example, to switch the input method, manually change the clipboard text, etc. Another way to access the WebSSH option in the environment. You can also access the WebSSH option from the setting icon of the environment. Select the environment which you want to access through WebSSH. Here, we have selected WordPress.usAccuWeb.cloud as an example. Click on the settings icon. The settings window will open at the bottom of the screen. Click on the SSH access option. The SSH connection window will then open. Go to the WebSSH option and click on the Connect option. Here, you will get the node ID under their application server. You need to select the node ID which you want to open through WebSSH. That is all. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We saw how to access the environment files through WebSSH in the AccuWeb Cloud. Hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please click on the thumb button. Please click on the subscribe button if you want to view such easy-to-understand technical videos published by AccuWeb Cloud. Thank you for watching.